Hi there, my name is Taro and I'm an opera director. It's been quite a long time since I uploaded a video, and that was due to my busy schedule that I had from June to November of this year. I've been working on 4 productions in 4 different cities, and traveling around the world is something I always enjoy about being a freelance artist. However, it can often be challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle, especially when it comes to nutrition. My point is that I don't have much time and energy to care for my health and especially to cook for myself. I always end up eating sandwiches and junk food, and not only was it unhealthy but also expensive over time. So I searched around for food which I can meal prep, and I've settled on one dish that I currently make almost every week. And with this video I'd like to share with you what and how I make my superfood. It's a bit of a different video from what I usually do on this channel, but I hope you still find it interesting. And if you're someone who's maybe also a freelance artist, wanting to take care for your health a little bit more while saving time and money for something very delicious, sit back and enjoy the video. Curry! It is curry, ladies and gentlemen. It is insanely cheap. These are the ingredients that I need, and it cost me around 34 euros, which is really cheap considering that I get up to 10 meals out of it. It's quick to make. I will set a timer and let's see how long it takes for me to cook everything. Go. Now, to make it quick and efficient, you need these tools and these ingredients. First, I cut the potatoes, onions and carrots into large chunks. Large chunks because A, it's quicker, and B, I like biting into big chunks. If you don't, then cut it to your liking. You need a large pot, put it on the stove and set it to high heat. Once it's warm, a splash of vegetable oil and start with the meat. Once the meat turned brown, flip it and let the other side also brown. Then toss in the potatoes and stir for around 5 minutes. Then follow the onion and stir again until it gets translucent. Then add in the carrots, put the canned tomato in, lid on and reduce the heat to medium. Now, while we are waiting until the pot gets hot again, we can prep the other ingredients. I also cut them into big chunks because I like it. Once you're finished, the pot should be hot again. Add in the remaining ingredients together with salt and your curry spice mix.
A few moments later.
So, that was it. 40 minutes, around 40 minutes, which is not bad. Now I kill the heat, wait until it's cooled, and then I put half of it into a smaller pot and store it in the freezer while the other half goes into the fridge. And that's enough for me to live for at least the next 4 days, I would say. And I also finished up cleaning my kitchen. So while I was waiting until the pot got hot enough for me to put in the last ingredients, I just put everything into the dishwasher in just 40 minutes, which is really not bad, I would say. And then heating up is like 5 minutes. So it's really like an instant food that you have at home every day. And that's what I currently do almost every week. Okay, I have to confess. This was my 3rd production in a row, and that means 6 weeks times 3. And in the end I was a little bit fed up eating curry all the time. But I found another dish that was also easy and quick to make and also very healthy, which is quesadillas. For that I found a very good video on my favorite YouTuber's food channel, so feel free to check it out. Anyway, that was it for today. I'm very sorry I'm not posting very frequently because I had so much to do, which is actually a good thing. Coming up next is something very exciting because I will be directing my very first musical.
And not just any random musical, it's the Rocky Horror Show. I didn't even dream of directing it one day, but yeah, it is finally fixed now. Tickets are on sale already and I'm really, really excited. So if you live in Vienna or nearby Vienna, please check it out and I'd be very glad if you come watch it. But more about that in the next video. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.